So in the last video we implemented these singularity functions for shear and moment in Excel. Now we want to do these in Matlab, which is another useful plotting tool. And so if you recall from our last one, we had R1 is 210 and R2 is 90. So R1 equals 210, R2 equals 90. Then we can set our x equals, using linspace between 0 and 20. Now we want to use semicolons because we're talking about array functions. And this does 100 points, so it's easier to do a more accurate plot in Matlab than in Excel. And now we can define our shear. So it's equal to R1 times, and again it's R1 x greater than 0, and then it's minus 200 times x is greater than 4, minus 100 times x is greater than 10, and then lastly it's minus R2 times x is greater than 20. And so now we can plot x comma b. And now we have our shear diagram, so that worked. And then we can calculate our moment equals, and so it's R1 times x, R1 times x, minus 200 times x minus 4. So this will be an x minus 4, and then to turn it on, we need to do the dot multiply. So it's element by element times x is greater than 4. Minus 100 times x minus 10 dot times x is greater than 10. So there's your moment diagram. Again, we need the dot multiply because it's an element by element, not a matrix operation. And so now we can plot our shear, and then looking at our plot, now we have our shear and our moment diagram as expected.